Hello friends, today we're going to discuss about the job and career scopes in fishery science. Now this is the course and the job opportunity, job and career scopes in fishery science. BSc Industrial Fish and Fisheries, BFSC, BSc and BSc. Now if you like my video and for more updates, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's see about the courses. There are different types of bachelor courses. Bachelor of Fisheries Science BFSC, it's a 4-year course, and the Bachelor of Science Industrial Fish and Fisheries, it's a 3-year course, and the BSc Fisheries, it's also 3-year course, and the BSc Aquaculture 3-year course. Now let's see about the master's courses. There are two different types of master courses: a Master of Fisheries Science MFSC 2-year course, and the Master of Fish Science MSc 2-year course. And now about you can also pursue MSc in the following specialization, like aquatic biology and fisheries, coastal aquaculture and marine, fisheries science and aquaculture, industrial fisheries, limnology of fishery and fisheries, marine biology and fisheries. Now jobs and career scope. Job opportunity are available for the fisheries graduates after possessing degree of a BSc Industrial Fish and Fisheries and the BFSC. Also, you can apply in the Fisheries Department of a state government for the post of Inspector of a Fisheries, Research Assistants, Sub-Inspector of a Fisheries, Assistant Director, Assistant Fisheries Development Officer AFDO, and the Fisheries Extension Officer FEO, and the Fisheries Development Officer FDO. Now the job title of a fisheries is given below: a fisheries biologist, fisheries extension officer, fisheries officer, fisheries manager, fisheries technicians, fisheries observer, and assistant fisheries development officer AFDO, and the district fisheries development officer DFDO. And now let's see about the central agencies. Central Agency also recruits fisheries graduates as technical officers and assistant director in the Marine Product Export Development Authority, and the Export Inspection Agency, and the Coastal Aquaculture Authority of India CAA, and the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India FSSAI, and the Fisheries Survey of India FSI, and the National Institute of Oceanography NIO, and the Indian National Center for Ocean and Information Service INCOIS Hyderabad. In addition to this, there is also a scope of self-employment in this field. After owning degree of a BFSC, you can also open your own enterprises. You will also get the opportunity to work in. And the career scope, there are numerous of a career or job opportunity in the government and the private sector. Aspirants can go for entrepreneurship or self-employed in their own fisheries related business. You can see that is every state of a country. The government has a fisheries department in which you can apply for various posts. Aspirants can also do jobs in central government agencies like Marine Products and Export Development Authority, and the Fisheries Survey of India, NIO, WHO, and many others. Degree holders can apply for a research project or can do further study. Candidates can find the number of job opportunity in institutions. My channel for more updates, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.